ओके तो फ्रेंड्स अभी जो हम देख रहे हैं हमने लास्ट टाइम हमने रेशनल नंबर्स पूरा देख लिया था। तो अभी जो हम देख रहे हैं रेशनल नंबर के ऊपर जो ऑपरेशंस हो सकते हैं, ऑपरेशंस इन सेंस जैसे हम उसके बेसिक मेथड से स्टार्ट करेंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अगर लिख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर 1/2 माइनस 1/3 प्लस 1/4, तो ये मिक्स ऑपरेशन है, मतलब प्लस माइनस दोनों है। 1/2 उसमें से 1/3 माइनस करना है, देन 1/4 प्लस करना है। एक्चुअली इसमें जो रूल अप्लाई होते हैं, जो आपको फ्रैक्शंस वाले नंबर में लेना पड़ता है, आपको डी मास डिवीज़न, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन, ये रूल अप्लाई करने होते हैं। अब फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पर कभी कभार ऐसा होता है, जैसे मैंने इन दोनों को ब्रैकेट में रख दिया, स्मॉल ब्रैकेट, या फिर इसी क्वेश्चन को ऐसे अगर मैं लिखूँ 1/2 माइनस 1/3 प्लस 1/4, इन शॉर्ट इन बोथ केसेस द कैलकुलेशन will change. How? Let us see. For example, the first question 1/2 minus 1/3, which is under bracket. Just a minute. 1/2 minus 1/3 plus 1/4. Here 1/2 minus 1/3 is under small bracket. And first of all, we will take LCM of first two terms, which is 1/2 minus 1/3. Then LCM of 1/2 minus 1/3. Here denominator are 2 and 3 and both are prime numbers. Then LCM will be multiplication of both the number or product of both the number. Then the LCM will be 3 2s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3 minus 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 upon 6 plus 1/4 as it is. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, then 1/6 plus 1/4. Again LCM of 4 and 6, these are not prime numbers, but in this case we will see what the least number comes in the tables of 4 and 6 both. मतलब कि 4 and 6 के टेबल में वो छोटे से छोटा कौन सा नंबर आएगा। कॉमन सी बात है that the least number will be 12 because 6 2s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Then I'll write the LCM is 12. Now in first term the denominator is 6, then I'll multiply the numerator by 2, then it will be 2 1s are 2. मतलब 6 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो 12 आएगा, तो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। तो मैं न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ 2 से। Similarly, in second number, the denominator is 4. Then I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 3, so that in denominator there will be 12, and here in numerator 3 ones are 3. So overall the answer is 5/12. There are no common factor between 5 and 12, so the answer is 5/12. Whereas in second case, that here 1/2 minus under bracket 1/3 plus 1/4. Here 1/2 minus under bracket, there are 4 and 3 as denominator. Then what will be the LCM? That in both 3 and 4, the least number that the number comes in the table of 3 and 4 is 12. So the LCM will be 12. I'll multiply the numerator by 4 and multiply the numerator of the second term by 3, because 3 4s are 12 and 4 3s are 12. Okay, then 1/2 minus 4 plus 3 7 by 12. Again, now I have to subtract this both terms, 1/2 minus 7 by 12. Then 1/2 minus 7 by 12. The LCM will be 12. Why? Because 12 is the number who also comes in table of 2. 2 6 are 12. Then I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 6. and the denominator is already multiplied by 6, so that I have taken the LCM is 12. Then here 6 ones are 6 minus 7. 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1, then it is minus 1 by 2. Here you can see both answers are different, both calculation are easy as well as, but answers are different according to that question. I'll do some more examples related to this method. Let us see. Let me write that here 1 by 7 or 3 by 7 plus 9 by 14 minus 8 by 9 plus 17 by 9. So in these cases, what can I do? So first of all, I'll match the denominators. That I can see here that in the first term denominator is 7, whereas in second denominator is 14. Then it is common calculation, this 14 comes in the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. Then these two are like terms for sum and difference. In short, इन दोनों का sum या difference मुझे easy पड़ेगा. Similarly here, denominator of both terms are 9. Here numerator is minus 8. Here numerator is plus 17. So what will we do first of all? Then first of all, I'll take LCM of first two terms, which will be 14, because 14 comes in the table of 7. Then LCM is 14. Here in the denominator it is 7. I'll multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, so that the denominator becomes 14, and if I multiply the numerator by 2, then it will be 3 2s are 6, and it will be 6 plus 9 as it is, because the denominator of this term is already 14. So make it under bracket. Now in second term, as I can see here, both the terms has the same denominator, so that I'll take the larger term or the bigger term ahead because it is positive. So I can arrange it like that: plus 17 by 9 minus 8 by 9. So here 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 upon 14. Here LCM will be 9. 17 minus 8 as it is, and 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. So 15 upon 14 plus 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 upon 9. Cut. Answer is 1. And it will be 15 by 14 plus 1. Now LCM is 14. Here 15 as it is. 14 ones are 14. Then it will be 14 plus 15 is equal to 29 upon 14. Then the answer will be 29 upon 14. Right? Okay. I'm giving some exercise related to these questions to you to solve that. The 2 upon 3 minus 7 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. Similarly, 9 upon 11 plus 17 upon 22 minus 11 upon 3 plus 13 upon 9 is here 63 upon 51 minus 4 upon 51 plus 33 upon 29 minus 18 by 29. Again 121 by 7 minus 116 by 7 plus 7 upon 116 plus 121 upon 116. These are some good questions that you need to practice. Okay, see you then. We'll see this in next lecture. See you then. Take care.